Check it out, new stuff, radiator, brake pedal assembly, brake pedal will be there, brake booster, master cylinder. So I'm going to be putting it in here somewhere, somehow. Plenty of room. Well, I couldn't get along with that brake pedal setup. This had already been all hacked up, so I hacked it up more. I had that new pedal set up right there on the inside, but I wasn't happy with it. We couldn't get along. So now I'm hacking it up even more, putting a stock Silverado setup just like this one in it, which I probably should have done in the first place. But that new brake pedal does serve a purpose. It's holding that one up. Perfect. So it'll be something like that, I guess, when it's done. I'm just going to weld that in. I don't see any better option. It's a rat rod. Screwed it in place, ready to weld, sort of. Probably add a patch here and here later. Steering column's going to get redone. It's going to go through here. Booster goes right there. Little guy. But there's plenty of room for the steering column. And there's the setup. Gas pedal's gonna move. It was just temporary. Everything's just temporary so far. There she is, all bugger welded up like a rat rod's supposed to be. It's pretty awesome. Looks better than some of my old girlfriends. If you made it this far, you must be curious. This is a 4.8 Chevy LS, I guess you'd call it, out of a 2000 Silverado. And I've done all the work myself. Factory Silverado wiring. It's kind of stupid to be welding right here because the computer is actually inside, right up under there, right underneath these tools. I probably shouldn't have done that, but hopefully it'll be alright. So this is my 55 International rat rod, Dirty Jig's garage, if you can't tell. If you want to see more, subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you like it. Let me know in the comments if you hate it. That's really fun. There's my computer. There's where I was welding. Probably not a great idea. More booger welds. Awesome. Again. That there's going to get welded to the brace. The steering column's actually going to move out. This is where it used to bolt, here and there. It's going to move out about 3 inches. I didn't like where it was. It was too far away from me when I was sitting in the seat. So don't worry, there is going to be more welding and structure in here. More booger welds, obviously. That's the best. So stay tuned if you want. Peace.